The team at Horizon Structures would like to thank you for your quote request. We're thankful for the opportunity and welcome all of your questions. We look forward to hearing from you. And now, a bit about us. We're based in the Lancaster, Pennsylvania area, where quality, integrity, and world-class customer service are more than just a way to do business. It's a way of life. Horizon Structures operates on these principles every day. We're a family-owned and operated business with strong roots in the Amish community. Our 65,000 square foot facility is truly state-of-the-art, and we welcome you to come visit. Our building is solar-powered. We use renewable materials and carefully recycle our materials in a responsible manner. We're always looking for ways to lessen our impact on the environment, too. When it comes to quality, no one can match the quality and attention to detail that you'll find in a Horizon structure. Amish quality is famous the world over, and our Amish craftsmen are dedicated to that standard. You could say that modern-day technology meets old-world craftsmanship at Horizon Structures, so you'll get the very best quality on what we build in our facility or built at your location. In fact, we're so confident of our quality that we back our buildings with a 5-year, top-to-bottom warranty for real peace of mind. Finally, while all these things are important, the heart of Horizon Structures is our staff. Every team member works hard to ensure that you are pleased with everything they do. Everyone here has a vested interest in your satisfaction, regardless of the product you have chosen. A horse barn, outdoor living structure, chicken coop, dog kennel, or playset. Then there's our newest product, the timber frame barn. We've combined the timeless style and elegance of years past with our modern, modular construction for a truly amazing barn. Thanks again for your interest in what we do. We welcome your call or email for more information. Horizon Structures, endless options, legendary Amish quality, and amazing value.